Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Cognizant. They're looking for a quality analyst. This job pays $25 an hour. Cognizant is on a mission to transform our country's healthcare and national security systems. With our health and security-focused solutions, we help public sector organizations achieve the important task of providing the best possible public services to American citizens. From enterprise IT, data science, and security services to full-scale consumer engagement and solutions, we are providing government services forward with transforming and innovation. Learn how we are making a difference in people's lives today. This role is for the quality analyst, is to perform quality assurance audits on phone calls, emails, and chats. The analyst will review and grade customer contact events for technical accuracy, compliance to policies and procedures, and observable soft skills. The analyst may also provide measurements to help gauge the customer's overall level of satisfaction with the contact event. Part-time employees, a typical work week will consist of 4-hour shifts per day, Monday through Friday, between the hours of 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 2 shifts are available from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. All times are based on Eastern Time Zone. All employees are required to commit to at least 20 hours per week. Training will include 2 to 3 weeks of remote web-based training and 9 to 10 weeks of additional on-the-job training. Classes will run 4 to 5 hours per day, Monday through Friday, between the hours of 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and breaks will be administered. Qualifications. To perform this job successfully, an individual must be able to perform each essential duty satisfactorily. The requirements listed are representative of the knowledge, skill, and/or ability required. Reasonable accommodations may be made to enable individuals with disabilities to perform the essential functions. Job requirements: must have a safe and secluded at-home office that is free of normal household distractions. Typing speed of 35 words per minute with at least 85% accuracy. Must have a home PC equipped with MS Word and MS Excel. Must be proficient with Microsoft Word and Excel. Must have basic computer skills. Strong customer service skills required. Strong verbal and written skills. Excellent grammar, punctuation, and spelling required. High school diploma or GED required. College degree preferred. Competencies. To perform this job successfully, the individual should demonstrate the following competencies: technical skills, quality management, judgment, planning/organizing, innovation, and language skills. Must have strong written and verbal communication skills. Computer skills. To perform this job successfully, an individual should have knowledge of the database software, spreadsheet software, and word processing software. Physical demands. The physical demands described here are representative to those that have met an employee to successfully perform the essential functions of the job. Quick tips on the virtual hiring success. Test your tech. Make sure your internet connection and video conferencing program are both working prior to the interview. Dress appropriately. Dress for success and ensure your surroundings are tidy. Be prepared. Do your homework. Rehearse your responses are key interview questions and prepare your own questions. Be personable. Make eye contact. Smile often and demonstrate enthusiasm for the role. And remove distractions. Engage with the interviewer by removing all distractions, including your smartphone. So if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular role, I'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, that's okay. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this particular channel. So you can subscribe and hit the notification bell and you can find the best work from home remote job that fits you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.